Ni Zhiwei sold her second-hand apartment in Shanghai's Pudong district 2 months ago. She says the price of that apartment had gone up 50% since she bought it 6 years ago. Now she is looking for another second-hand apartment near the schools she wants her child to attend in 4 years' time.
Home prices in Pudong have gone up quickly since April. School zone properties are getting a lot more expensive, so we have started to look around again. We won't hesitate to make the purchase if we find a home we like.
The trading volume of second-hand homes in Shanghai has stayed above 30,000 units for 4 straight months. Last month, it grew almost 160% from a year earlier to over 32,000 units, breaking the usual trend of slowing sales in July.
The second-hand home market was quiet last year. Many middle to high-end home buyers were waiting with money in their pockets. That demand hasn't disappeared. With stimulation from more favorable tax policies and lower interest rates, the demand released beginning in April. Secondly, some home buyers made money when the stock market was going well, and that money went into their home buying budgets.
Other major cities in China also had heated second-hand home markets last month. Trade volume in Beijing and Shenzhen both grew over 150% year-on-year, while that in cities like Tianjin and Nanjing more than doubled. That increased demand pushed up prices. One industry analyst expects the second-hand home market in major cities will stay hot for a while.
Recently, some banks raised the down payment requirements on second homes from 40 to 50% up to some 60 or 70%. This will accelerate the speed of decision-making for people who want to buy homes to improve their living standard. Also, it's possible that the current easy monetary and credit policy may be adjusted next year.
Given these potential changes, Chen says the overall trend of a reheating second-hand home market will continue into next year. Although seasonal factors and adjusted demand and supply in the market will slow growth a little in the next few months. Dong Yiling, ICS for CCTV, Shanghai.